My old boondag and welcome to aviation farming and the Mckinley Farm on the island of Bohol in the Philippines. Today on the Mckinley Farm, Jerome and Janice are working the gardening plots, getting ready to plant some veggies. Also today, the Janice Store at the Mckinley Farm will be getting a rebuild makeover. This brother and sister team work as hard as anyone you're gonna see. Here's the Janice Store getting a rebuilding makeover. Here's the Janice storefront finished product. If you're gonna be on the Mckinley Farm, you're going to have to work hard. You've got to pull your own weight for the benefit of the team. I like to call it team survival. This is one of the things the live-in students learn on the Mckinley Farm. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.